Hey everyone, welcome back to Gigabits. In today's comparison, we're looking at Moneygram versus Wise, formerly known as TransferWise, two big names in the money transfer game. Whether you're sending money abroad for personal or business reasons, you want to make sure you're getting the best deal. I've tested both services, so let's dive into their key features, costs, speed, and user experience to help you make an informed decision. Key features. MoneyGram operates in over 200 countries with a vast network of 350,000 plus locations, offering both cash pickups and bank transfers. It's a great choice if you need physical locations and flexible payment options like sending money via bank accounts, credit cards, or debit cards. Their app is easy to use, allowing you to send money, track transfers, and find agent locations. Wise, on the other hand, is online only, offering transfers to 80-plus countries with a strong focus on bank transfers and digital wallets. Wise is known for its transparent fees and mid-market exchange rates, making it a favorite for users looking for competitive pricing and simplicity. They also offer a multi-currency account where you can hold and manage different currencies, perfect for frequent travelers and businesses. Costs. When it comes to costs, MoneyGram charges fees based on the transfer amount, destination, and payment method. Using a credit card or debit card generally comes with higher fees, while bank transfers are cheaper. They also apply a markup on exchange rates, so the actual cost may vary depending on the transfer. Wise is known for its transparent pricing model. They charge a small fee up front, which is clearly displayed before you send money. The real advantage is their mid-market exchange rate, which is the rate you'll find on Google or XE. This means you're not hit with hidden fees, making Wise one of the most cost-effective options out there for international transfers. Speed. MoneyGram is fast, especially for cash pickups, where transfers can be available in minutes. Bank transfers can take 1 to 3 days, depending on the country. Wise, while generally quick, is more focused on bank-to-bank transfers. Most transfers take between 1 to 2 business days, but it can take longer for certain currencies or payment methods. If you need instant delivery, MoneyGram has the edge, but for regular bank transfers, Wise is still pretty fast. User experience. MoneyGram offers a well-rounded experience with its wide network of physical locations, an easy-to-use mobile app, and global reach. However, their fee structure can be a bit complex, especially if you're using cards instead of bank transfers. Wise, on the other hand, provides a very straightforward experience. The website and app are user-friendly, and the transparent pricing model makes it easy to know exactly what you're paying for. Plus, the option to hold multiple currencies in a single account is an added bonus if you travel or do business in different countries. Conclusion. If you need a physical location for cash pickups, have a larger transfer amount, or need instant delivery, MoneyGram is the way to go. But if you're looking for low fees, transparency, and the best exchange rates, Wise is hard to beat. Wise is ideal for digital transfers, especially if you're sending money to bank accounts and don't need physical cash. That's it for today's comparison. Let me know in the comments which service you prefer, or if you've had any experiences with either. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Gigabits, and hit the notification bell for more reviews and comparisons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.